No,
take it, careful, take
take
it.
your time with it.
Take it.
Here's one of the people.
That we belong to. You are my future plan. God greatest gift to man, 1 in a million.
Every night,
Saga.
every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming. Oh,
Tell us something, girlfriend.
What's up, guys? You know it's a boy Capo here, and people, I just come off the road a while ago. Before we just start, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. So I just left off the road. I go collect some package on our shipping company. I buy some for Abbi on the road, so you don't know anything. When Abbi get this, I say she got car. She love them something here, no people. Say hi to the camera, madman. Say hi to the camera, boy. Hey, hey. You just come like a little bunny. Sure. So guys, I'm tired. I tell the people, see bag here. The bag have 2 boxes in there, 3 boxes, a small box and 2 medium-sized boxes. I tell her if I can put on, you know, it look nice because I can put her on camera. Because even at the house, I look well talking at the house. I can't understand her. Can't bother it. And she cuss me now, I record one video and then she talk about, I don't look good at her. She cuss me and talk about, oh, me and tell her if I look good. You have to always look good at the house every day, all day. Because I'm ever going to record that. I try to show you, understand? So people from the new, I must say before, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to Abbi and Capo Comedy TV. Subscribe to my channel. That's, what's the name again? Oh yeah, Capo's TV, and subscribe to Abbi's Madness, of course. So now you plan to come back out now. What should do? Abbi! No shadow. You plan to come back out, people. Everybody know. I'm telling you, so go and watch and see what go on, guys. So when Abbi come out, we turn about the camera, I see her again, so you can see what takes place. You understand? I drink some water here now still, so soon. Alright guys, so Abbi take forever to get ready. She didn't vex me about how me ever surprise her and how she wanna look pretty and one bag of sitting, but here now, I wait on her. And she's about to come. So here comes Abbi. Come on, Abbi, don't let me down, please. Here comes Abbi. Abbi, come on, girl. She said, I can't always put her on camera, look at her, guys. But Abbi look so damn bomb. She understand. You don't know what I'm to her, people. I want to come talk to her. Abbi, man, the supporters especially. I want to talk to her for me, now, people. Abbi, just come along, no, man. Just come, no, man. Come, Abbi. You not sit down?
I want to come in that way.
Alright, sit down now, Abigail. You're looking so fine. You're so fine. You blow my mind.
Yeah, but mom, nah. Yes, I'm looking for you come in.
Kiss me.
I got bread by me here.
Why?
Oh, the blood.
I buy some bread I like, you know. Alright, guys, so now she's there. Finally.
Look.
Look how she pretty. Yo! So now she's there, people. So now I'm going to do my food, see me? Yeah. Hit the like button down below.
Oh, I'll keep all this.
Work can go on, people. Work can go on. Yeah. Okay. Alright, people. I'll be finally ready now. She kind of in one done mood, but more, I just want to give her a little chops and make you feel better.
Go right, touch me.
Am I that horrible, people? Am I that horrible? Or she just moody? She moody bad.
The thing is, every minute come on, come put me up on camera, so you know way.
So in a way,
Yes.
pretty like this. That's what about. Anyway, people, so I don't know she going to react now, but then I say yes, I give me a good vibes, I know, but look how she behave. I don't know how she going to react now, people.
I'm tired of this.
You tell her surprising? Tell me now.
Tired of...
Because now boyfriend is surprised every time I'm tired of surprising. Talk to me. Oh. Alright, people. I'm surprised at me now. I'm more than one thing there, so don't forget, just keep. So there. Just keep in touch. I'm you know.
You can see that camera, you there?
You can see in the camera. Okay, the first thing I get are this, not a surprise. So much you actually need.
What do you mean?
People, I'm showing the first. So first thing I get are this.
I don't know, man.
I want them there. Add the liquid gel, right about.
What are the bigger backer?
No, I'm not bigger back like them out.
We're going to do this because we're going to take 2 days. 2 days, 1 day for some people.
Okay.
They have people cramps.
Alright, shut your eye now.
I'm not allowed me here.
Shut your eye now. It's boring like. Shut your eye. The next surprise, these people. Shut your eye now, Abbi. What you smell?
Oh, but...
Hey. One of them for you. One for me, one for your sister, one for you.
I was sure that cheese.
All of my cheese. What is this? Alright. Oh, we have 2. Hey, as a part of... Don't bite your bite, man. Come, bite the patty.
No, wait. next one? Oh, what's your name?
You see her, babes?
What's your
Come
name?
bite the patty, man. Bite it, man. I'm hungry too. Yo, guys, I'm hungry for man, you know.
I'm not just supposed to say, no, me I go on diet.
Well, I'm hungry. Come on, no more something to make up now.
People my burn and get better.
One time I buy this myself and because me. But this time I buy for she alone, right? Yeah. She cost me and tell you and
Fuck, are you?
the last time I buy one people, I be take it from me and drink it, you know. So now I buy one for she, so it's not mine, it's a fair. But I will teeth from she and drink some still. So anyway, shut your eye.
What me drink?
Shut your eye.
Open another for
Shut your eye.
eye!
No man, that's something else. Here. I found this.
Get away! Give me a patty. Don't give them someday. I'm not afraid of coronavirus. Give me a patty.
Alright.
I'm full of shaker.
Ladies and gentlemen.
I don't go pump a camera, stay bad for.
Ladies and gentlemen. These are all great little surprise and food in the cash of our belly, people. But that surprise, yeah. Oh yeah, shall I take off where people don't know. So people, the surprise I know the last one. Well, I guess at the last one. People, why am I saying I have to buy this PR? Come they have to show what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to woman, see the thing, you know. I'm going to go sample the thing, you know, people. I'm going to say the thing bad. I have to carry something from a woman. You get me? Shut your eye, Abbi. No joke to it. Shut your eye, no, please. Yeah, carry my style, so shut your eye. People buy it, I'm tell the people, them say, yo, my girl love them thing, and them say, you're good man, you're good man. Shut your eye. Yo, another, you see, people, I tell them from now. Another gift surprising, I always talk about makes you feel surprising. You're in your teeth.
What am I doing out there, so?
You're in your teeth, you know. You're in your teeth.
My hair long.
Alright.
No, like, how much years me have for long hair? Boy, bye.
Abbi, what me I know?
Get it!
But, not just, you know, Abbi, me I carry the camera closer to you.
It's sweet, I see one there.
I'm not getting them now. Taste when I'm getting them. Taste when I get them, Abbi. Taste when I get them. People! Yo! Give them sweet, yo, oh God.
Don't tell me say one bunch of rice.
Abbi, they give them sweet.
Don't tell me say one bunch of
man.
rice. No, don't tell me say one bunch of rice. Tell me say I'm more than
People, them sweet. The bag have me some back from now and one place I'm going to collect things, but me I tell you, the way them sweet enough to buy more people. Yo, hey!
No, come on, They say surprise me, so surprise me.
No, the bunch of guinea, not two bags of guinea, I'm telling you. Yo, don't tell them, Abbi, tell them.
From Guinea season start, them are the best things in Guinea.
Abbi, I tell people, while I go in a taxi, you know.
Which way back?
And after tree.
Which one after tree? I have to tell people them.
People buy from woman right at Cactus Plaza. No, right at York Pharmacy Plaza, there's some people. York Plaza. Yo, when I taxi in Abbi, I have one bunch I'm on, you know. And girl work, I'm going to get man, so when I taxi, I'm going to get her to it, Abbi. I say, I'm going to taste him. She said, taste him. And she goes so. I give her 4 pound a bunch. When she goes so, I pull it. She look at me like she said, eat that boy, I just see me and neighbors ask me, I give them for taste. I just see the girl, I'm carrying me, and I'm saying, taste me, give them. And the girl goes so. She goes so and look at me good. And the girl said, where you buy it?
Yeah.
Abbi, the girl panic. She wish she could have come to the taxi and buy it.
People,
Oh God.
them get up here from, me not island, from Guinea season start, man. Not even so on this way,
Yo,
them get up here nice.
this is the first bunch we buy, see that? People are the best Guinea them from Guinea season starting to eat. Jamaican.
No joke about it, guys.
Oh God, man, it's nice so till, man. Oh God.
Keep them fair, another tea for your bunch then.
People are getting, yo, monsieur, yo, hear me
People
say,
them are nice taste.
subscribe,
Give me a
hey,
big
hey.
You fucker, yo.
I'm going to share the subscriber when you find me. Boomba. Subscribers, you can't come, no call me, text me back somewhere. You can't phone me, I'm not like. The video go right now, here, it's live, so to all, take this.
If you could have taste this through the phone.
Find her and buy from her. Tell them say Abbi and Capo send me. Tell them say the boy in Jamaica Bob man the shirt send me. The boy come buy from her and tell that I'll give him girlfriend some guinea because them so sweet.
Me don't want to mix again.
Yo, a girl that. Yo! Sure.
What you buy?
No. We have some package on the ship company along, so we go for them. Like we said, everything alright to them still. So people they are going to eat the back, you know. Today is Friday, you know the thing go.
Today Friday,
Friday,
so.
yeah. When I back there.
Who asked this?
Oh, no one know.
Oh,
I can't eat so light.
What? You tell me for unboxing.
Don't pull it back.
Someone
Can't mash up, man. Don't pull it so hard.
So why you gonna do it? I tell me for doing no, you're not
sorry.
gonna do it.
But take your time and pull it. So yeah, I agree a while ago.
Are you? How about this? Hey, take it. Take it, careful, take it.
Take your time with it.
Take it. Since we can't unbox it.
I come for you a bit. Unbox it actually. I come for you.
That's why you can't have unbox me something.
Take your time. They're nice, man. Alright, the camera see? Okay.
Let me ask this. What is?
Okay guys, so this one time I mash up the laptop screen. So I buy one back a screen to replace the laptop screen, right? So I have a Samsung Pro. It's yard now still. But I see this on Amazon, so I must buy it. I never make sure you want it now.
I'm a ras, never shop with things. That's saying the house for my charger.
Is it name for my laptop body? So now I get back a laptop. Then I put on now you. So this is the screen, replacement screen feet. But up Amazon for cheap. So you know thing our laptop then I use, so I mean it does have a fix but again I say go.
That's the way, I didn't even like you.
So yeah. You never put the see?
That's why the house for charger. I don't want to ever sell you and sell it to them.
No sir. I fix it back.
Look how you're so budget. You're so careless.
People don't buy certain things. I don't want another box there.
This look like I made
I
something.
must have buy that. Who energy man? Who energy? I want that.
This is not my something.
How is it?
Remember put people things.
Bomba!
What is it?
I like the things them. People buy this for Abbi for how long?
Can't forget fuck now.
And it actually come. Moving on.
Please God, make it be them, make it be them, God, make it be them.
The box is big and pretty, thick and tall like a giant. You know when I box, but me they have to my mouth to damn joke. We call it.
Yeah, but all this pole, all them clock it down, sir.
This come like some secret mission box, now I tell you. No
please,
entrance.
guys, who order this all long, we are press it, just because I press it, we are press it. Yeah, boy, pole.
I'm busy eating guineas, Abbi.
Yeah, but come now, see what's happening now.
Alright, man, come.
You bring no man, things that come now, sir. So, bring on knife, police.
I just cut the tape for the head. Whoa! Abbi, a boss here now. They're nasty, they must be good. People.
But them, guys.
Nasty good.
Jesus Christ.
Can't believe I'm actually there. Bomba. People, put it in order now.
People, what order them, right?
From May 20 something.
From how long? Jesus Christ. Stress the right out.
Woo!
Guys, we supposed to get this all long before
The giveaway.
we do the giveaway, you know?
Yeah.
So we have to end up come out and take out our pocket for
Buy
get
extra
the,
tripod.
for get the winners them.
Yeah.
If you want to know which things we got show. So guys, right now, we will be selling mini tripods.
Just 15 bills.
Yeah, 15 bills. Because we know that enough people have start a YouTube channel. Enough people have a YouTube channel and have some equipment. But guys, them here, as you see, what we give away, them here nice. You can fling them here all about.
Add them anyway.
I am anywhere.
Them flexible? Yes, so
Flexible. See that time, okay? Thank you, Jesus.
God is good all the time.
All the
And
time,
all the time,
God good. Big up yourself, God up.
Yeah man, just be patient, man. Tell you now. Abbi, take out everything.
My love.
Abbi, finish that one.
What check it off inside?
You know, can destroy the rest.
This is the best gift. But everything I know be love food. This is the best one.
Yeah, true. This feel fulfilling. Yes, guys. So, Abbi, all well that ends well. So, me I tell you guys, from here the party to the guinea to this, it just keep going up and up and up. So if you enjoy this video, you know how it's coming with the videos. You know that already, people. So you know we have to make you laugh and entertain you, make you feel like so you know posting the brain sometimes. So this you know, we tripod them there from all long from me who want them and them finally come. So
guys,
people
put
so
on the
happy.
orders from now. DM me on Instagram.
Yeah, so who want the YouTube and who want somebody want tripod to start YouTube, whatever.
Yeah.
Link with. Yeah,
DM
and
we.
find out how we can get it to her and send the money and know say I eat that. Yeah, simple
Yeah,
as that.
guys.
Have
Simple
tripod.
1, 2.
Have tripod to go.
You can't really stand there and now. We might tell us I never tell us I feel like I
never do want to drink it though.
We didn't even drink it.
So I tell you guys, actually episode me reaching I'm happy.
Guys,
I'm happy, I'm not like.
let's start out this
Big
right
up
now.
Bob Marley, stay on me, you see me,
I'm
happy.
gonna start out this right now, so.
So
You don't know what present for me?
yes. What am I gonna feel like? You think you come kiss me last?
This is the end of the video. We are going fast. And I'm
Before we
present.
go guys, I have to tell you, make sure to subscribe to the channel, press the notification bell and select all to watch a video.
We need to get notified because most of us still like when we check it, the show said most of us will subscribe, not turn on the notification bell, and we want to turn on the bell.
Yeah, so channel like to grow. I make the video get enough more views. Yeah, so we can keep on making great videos like this one. Come another video funny. I'm gonna watch it. I tell you now. So as I said before, turn on the bell. Next thing, subscribe to Abbi and Capo Comedy TV.
Subscribe to Abbi's Man.
And subscribe to your boy Capo's TV and
Capo's TV.
check out my new intro. Come intro tough, intro tough, intro tough, intro tough. Yeah, people, let me show you right now.
Yeah.
So until then, you know you go.
AC Gang is
out.
Bye.